Welcome back to another episode of Jeryl's Kitchen. And today in my kitchen, I'm going to show you how I prepare my chicken soup. And you know, Saturdays in Jamaica is not complete without a traditional Jamaican style chicken soup. But if you don't want to use a regular chicken, you can use chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. It's all chicken anyway. And you know what? I'm going to be using a few ingredients that I got from my backyard garden. So please remember to like this video, give it a thumbs up, turn on your post notification. Why? So you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. So let's start cooking. So friends, here are my ingredients. I have some pieces of chicken that I washed, you know, with lime juice and vinegar. I always wash my chicken with lime juice and vinegar. We have some chocho, potatoes, okra, scallion thyme, carrots, corn, and pumpkin. And I got this pumpkin from my backyard garden. I have some maggi cock soup, some salt and some black pepper, some scotch bonnet pepper, pimento seeds, and I am now ready. My water is already boiling and I'm gonna go ahead and add the chicken to it. I'm gonna go in with some fresh garlic. So now I'm just gonna cover it and let it boil for about 20 minutes. Then I'll be preparing my veggies. Now that it's ready, I'll be adding the carrots, the chochos, okras, the potatoes, and of course the pumpkin. This pumpkin is so rich. It's gonna give my soup a whole lot of color and a whole lot of nutrients. I just love pumpkins. We're gonna give that a good mix. Now I'm going in with some pimento seeds, my corn, and I got this corn as well from my backyard garden. I'm now going in with my thyme, and I'm now making my dumpling. So we call it spinners because it's smaller than the regular dumpling, and we use a spinning and a rolling method to make. We normally use these tiny dumplings when we make our soups. If you want to know how I make my dumpling, please check out my video on how I make curry chicken, boiled dumpling, and green banana for 16 men. Guys, I'm now adding some scallion and my favorite, the scotch bonnet pepper. This gives the soup so much flavor and taste as well. I'm gonna cover it and check on it in a few minutes, so see you soon. The pumpkin is cooked all the way through, so I'm not just using the back of the spoon just to mash it out to add more flavor and add more body to the soup as well. And for my final ingredients, I'm gonna go in with about a packet of Maggi cock soup. So we normally add this before we add the salt. And this is cock soup along with some more pumpkin. Now we taste it. We're gonna add a little bit of salt to it, just a little tad. Now we're gonna go ahead and cover it and let it boil for another 10 minutes and it will be done. Guys, I am done and my soup is looking so amazing. It is smelling so good. Look at it. Please don't forget to like this video, share it, and give it a big thumbs up. Okay? Guys, this is so good. You can taste the richness of the pumpkin. The chicken is so full of flavor. The scotch bonnet is not overly spicy. It's just the right flavor. It adds so much flavor to the soup. Carrots. Dumpling. Chicken. guys for watching. I'll see you again on another episode of